I believe in you. Number 2. Pick the word that best defines rations in paragraph 2. Food rations. It means food. Portions. Very good. Do you know the meaning to the word portion?
Magic portion.
No. That's potion. This is portion.
No.
It has R. It means parts. Parts of, right? So a portion of pizza is not the whole thing. It's just a slice of pizza. Right?
Or a half of a pizza.
Could be, or it could be just a tiny bit, right? So
or
a portion
just 1 millimeter
is usually how much you would eat in a single serving. Alright? That's what we call a portion. Can you do number 3? Can you read this question for me, please?
What does the word reserve mean as it is used in paragraph 2?
Yeah, what does it mean? A through hiker's reserve of food, blah blah blah. Reserve of food.
A supply.
Do you think that's the correct answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the correct answer. Number 4, volunteer.
Number 4.
Is to
what does the author mean by the word
volunteer
in paragraph 3?
You know this one really well.
A.
It's D. To offer services. Because look at paragraph 3. Many hikers volunteer. Do you think the word volunteer is a verb here? It's something that they do? Is it a verb? Yes. Right? I play tennis. What is the action? Play.
Yeah.
Hikers volunteer. What is the action? Volunteer. So, this is a verb. And here, the meaning would also have to match the form of the word, alright? Do you understand it? Let's skip this page. Let's skip this writing for now. And shall we go to the next page, which is word study. Let's go to the next page.
Word study.
Okay, sit straight, please. Shoulders up. Shoulders up. Shoulders up. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. Let's read it together. When you come across an unfamiliar word in your reading, for example, one word that you circled over here was stretch, right? Look for context clues, right? So you know that we've done it a lot. So people trudge through blah blah blah. So it kind of
Told you.
Yeah, very good. But while suffering a specific type of a hardship, right? Now, we know what context clues are. Let's try to practice a little bit, alright? Number 1, to make bread dough, combine or mix flour, yeast, and water. What do you think, what word helps you find the meaning of the word combine here? Dough, flour. There is a word that hints to the meaning of the word combine or explains it to you. It's mix. You're not even on the right page. What are you doing? Yeah. So, combine or mix. Here, combine means to